Apple MagSafe Wallet was probably one product that I told myself I'm gonna buy, but I'm never gonna use it, and I'm strictly gonna buy it just for showing you guys how it looks on certain cases and things like that. Because I always told myself there's no way I'm paying $60 for something that only holds 2 cards. All right, like for me, we know we have multiple cards that we like to carry with us day by day throughout our whole process of carrying a wallet. We know we like to have more than 2 cards. All right, now let's go ahead and break down the wallet evolution. Now, I'm pretty sure a lot of you watching this video right now have been through this same exact evolution when it comes to wallets. All right, so you know we all start off with the big fat dead wallet. You know this card, right? You know this wallet that holds receipts that you've probably had since 1987. You got old expired debit cards in here, old expired credit cards. You probably got baby pictures from when your kids were 1 year old and they're 30 right now. Yeah, we all know we've had the big dead wallet. Everybody knows about those. And then I found myself downgrading because I was like, you know what? I got too much stuff in my wallet. Let's go ahead and downgrade a little bit. And then I found myself getting one of these, man. This is going to be a wallet from Exter. Now, this wallet I've probably used the longest in this whole evolution process. This holds a good amount of cards. You can see that slot right there. Has a little push button. This does pop out the cards. And then you can go about your day and use some cards. Now, I used that for a very long time, but I was like, you know what? I want to take it to the next level when it comes to being minimal with your wallet. And then we had to go ahead and get probably the flagship when it comes to these type cards, and that is going to be the Ridge wallet. Now, I've probably been using this for about a year now because I got this last year. Been using it for about a year and I love it. I love it. I love it. I have no issues with this wallet, and I actually still use it kind of in conjunction with the Apple Wallet. All right. So this is kind of the evolution that is building up. All right. We got this. That's building up to use something like this. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about the actual wallet itself. Now, this one right here is in this nice saddle brown color. You already know they come in multiple colors that you can choose to match your phone, to match your silicone, your leather case, whatever you want to do. They got something that's going to match it. But the first con that you got to talk about, and we all know about it, is it only holds 2 cards. All right, now right now it only holds 2 of my cards. Now I've heard in the future, as you keep using it, it'll probably expand and you'll be able to use a little bit more than 2 cards, maybe 3. But when you look at the cards that you actually need with you on a day-to-day basis, that kind of raises a concern. So for me, I have to have at least 5 cards with me. Super minimal, 5 cards with me at the most. That's going to be my debit card. That's going to be my license. It's going to be a credit card for emergencies. And I also protect myself at all times. So I need my concealed carry permit and my concealed carry insurance. All right. So these are 5 cards that I know I have to have on me all at one time. So the Apple MagSafe Wallet does kind of handicap me just carrying 2 because a lot of things now are digital. You know, we got license becoming digital. We got our insurance cards being digital. And every other card that's in my Ridge wallet right here are things that I may need but aren't necessary. So this is where I find myself that's a con when it comes to the Apple Wallet. But when it comes to that, that's pretty much it, what I think is an issue when it comes to the Apple MagSafe Wallet. So I've been using this now for maybe close to a month, maybe a little bit less, a few weeks. And I found myself really, really liking it because this one all-in-one package, when you leave about the door, when you leave about the day, and you don't got to search for your wallet. Now, if you're like me, I'm constantly losing my wallet throughout the house all day long. I don't leave it in the car. I'm pretty sure the quotes that my girlfriend hates hearing the most is, "Where is my wallet?" You know, I mean, I'm always looking for it. So with this, it's just always attached to your phone. Now, sometimes when I'm throughout the house, I work from home, I'll take it off and I usually put it on this desk right here that you see because this is the desk that's in my office. And I'll leave it here until it's time to roll, it's time to leave out. And then I will throw it on the back of my car. Now, if we were going out for an actual night out in town, I probably wouldn't use the Apple MagSafe wallet. All right. Now I have been using a little bit different wallets, and the one that I've been using the most is going to be this Peak Design wallet that actually acts as a wallet and it acts as a stand. And this is able to hold all of those 5 cards that I have spoke about, and it sticks to your phone pretty good when you're talking about the MagSafe strength. Now I'm not going to get into that right now today, but I am compiling a video up of the best MagSafe wallet. I have already spent a few hundreds of dollars on MagSafe Wallet. So if there's one that you want to see, make sure for one, you hit that subscribe button. And number 2, recommend me a MagSafe Wallet down below that you think you might want to see on the channel. All right. So Apple MagSafe Wallet is definitely good for when you're snatching it out and you're going quick, making quick runs where you know you don't need anything like a bunch of cards and stuff like that with you. But the main feature that I really, really like about the Apple MagSafe Wallet, and the one thing that really kind of turned me off about it, was that it has your Find My built in. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove it right now because it does take a little bit of time for the Find My to let you know that it is detached. Now, I hope that is probably something that's a little bit cleaned up when it comes to the next version of the Apple MagSafe Wallet, or I'm not sure if that's something they can improve in software, but it'll give you a notification when this is detached. But say you're out and about And I say I took it off right there and I'm continually walking. Now, I don't know if it alerts you quicker the further that you get away from your wallet, but there's a bad buffer time for when this comes off of your wallet that can lead you to maybe losing it, but you can be able to track it down. But all in all, that's one feature that I really like about it is the Find My when it comes to the Apple Wallet. So when you drop this, or if you pop it out, it'll give you a notification, let you know, yo, you lost it. Now, it would be amazing to see some of these third-party wallets, and I have a bunch over here, right? Like I told y'all, man, I've been spending some money on these MagSafe wallets, all right? So I have a good amount of MagSafe wallets. I have one more coming in today. So I wish some of the third-party wallets were able to use the Find My, because it would just make it that much more, beneficial to use a MagSafe wallet. But I have really been feeling this combo. I've had no issues with this coming off in my pocket. As a lot of people say, you think you can slide it off super easy. It doesn't come off that easy in my opinion, especially if you pair it with a case that has very strong MagSafe and magnets, like the Pataka Pro case, which is right now my daily case. When you pair it with this and you slap this on that has these crazy strong magnets, you're not gonna worry about this slipping off. But even if I did use the iPhone by itself, I don't think I would really have to worry about it also slipping off. I think it'd be quite fine when we are talking about it being on your phone. So for right now, I am loving the Apple MagSafe wallet. I like how minimal it is. I like that you can just have this all in one package and you don't have to go searching for your wallet, because most of the time, yeah, your phone and your wallet could be in the same place, but a lot of times they may be in different areas. But the fact that you can slap this on and you can use it, and it's not cumbersome to actually use it while you're out and about. It's not in the way. I feel like it's intrusive. I feel like it's fine. It's slim profile. It doesn't get in the way, and it works when you are talking about being minimal when it comes to these wallets. So I'm liking it, man. I'm going to continue to use MagSafe wallets. Me using this Apple MagSafe wallet just really opened my mind up. And for this past weekend, I was just searching all of the best MagSafe wallets, and I'm pretty sure the ones that you're going to recommend, I'm pretty sure already having that pile, and there are going to be some more delivered via FedEx today. So make sure you tune into the channel, man, because we will be getting to the top Apple MagSafe wallets, not Apple branded, but the third-party branded wallets, because there are some good ones out there. But stay tuned to the channel. Right now, I am loving this Apple MagSafe wallet, and yeah, definitely expect some more MagSafe wallets coming soon. But if you do want to see some more MagSafe accessories, I'll be sure to pop a video up so you can check out some of my other favorite MagSafe accessories later.